Located 10 miles west of Sisters off Highway 20, you'll find one of the most beautiful areas in Central Oregon. Here, the Metolius River begins at the base of Black Butte and flows about 23 miles into Lake Billy Chinook. This mainly fly fishing only catch and release river is home to giant bull trout up to 15 pounds. It also supports wild rainbow trout, a few brook and browns, whitefish, kokanee, and Chinook salmon. The Metolius River and its surroundings are stunning, with lush meadows, giant ponderosa pines, basalt canyons, and transparent turquoise-colored water. About 5 miles downstream from Camp Sherman is Wizard Falls and the Wizard Falls Fish Hatchery. Constructed in 1947, this hatchery is used for incubation and rearing of 2.6 million Atlantic salmon, brook trout, cutthroat trout, kokanee, and rainbow trout annually. Here, visitors are encouraged to feed the fish from coin-operated feed dispensers. It's a great opportunity for young and old to experience different species up close in the many holding ponds on the property. For more information on camping, lodging, and other services available, click on the Metolius River Info tab.